Hello and welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to be teaching you a couple of little tricks regarding compound clips, and it also applies to multicam clips. And as you can see here in my title card, it's a compound clip, and if I double click on that and open it up, you can see I've got the London Geese and In Cinemas Friday. So let's say the client is happy and they want to do a version that says In Cinemas Now. So what you do is you go to your edits and you duplicate. I'm going to call this one Now, and this is the version 1 of the Now version. So I'm going to double click on that, open it up, and I'm going to open up my compound clip, change In Cinemas Friday and change that to Now, and center that up, make sure that looks good. Go back there, and there we go, I've got my In Cinemas Now version. However, if I go back to my In Cinemas Friday version, double click, you can see that that has also changed to In Cinemas Now, which I don't want to do. So let me just undo what I've done and go back to In Cinemas Friday. So this is my Now version. It says In Cinemas Friday. Now there's two ways you can deal with this issue. What you can do is you click on your compound clip and then you go up to the clip menu and then you go to Reference New Parent Clip. And you click on that, and as you can see, what that's done is that's replaced your compound clip with a copy. And you can also see here in the browser, you can see the end card has been copied. So then you can now go ahead and change that to Now. And that is your In Cinemas Now version. I'll go back to the Friday version, and that has stayed the same. So you can do that. Now there is another way of doing it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this Now version, and I'm going to delete the copy that was made and just show you another way of doing it. So let's say there's a lot of compound clips and maybe even multicam clips in your project. There's another way you can do this. If you right click on your project and click Snapshot, and what this will do is pretty much the same thing as referencing a clip, but it will apply to the entire project. So now if I go to my end card, you can see the end card still has its regular name, but if I go in and I change it to Now, there it is now. But if I go back to my Friday one, my original one here, that still stays the same. And if I click on that compound clip and I press Shift F to reveal in the Finder, there I can see that's the new compound clip that it's referencing, but it hid it before I did a show in browser. And that will apply to all of the compound clips and the multicam clips throughout your project. So you won't get into this situation where you change a compound clip and it then ripples back into previous versions and causes chaos. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Follow me on social media, and also see in the description for a link to buy me a coffee, but preferably tea, 2 sugars. Thank you.